Hello viewers, have a good day. We are seeing Python program. We already completed 73 exercise. Now we are going to do 74 exercise, and it's a Python program. What are the things we have done early? It's all basics, and coming up what we are doing now and the coming up videos and all have the string basis Python basic program. So if you have get a time, please work on and do some hands-on, so that it will be helpful for you to get a more knowledge in depth in point of technology. So we will go for the class now. Write a Python script that input from the user and display the input back in lower and upper cases. So we are need to get the input from the user. From that input we need to display that lower and upper. We'll see. User underscore input equal to input. What is your favorite language? This is the input I'm trying to get. What I need to do is I need to print out my favorite languages. User underscore input dot upper. Okay, so I'm converting into upper actually. Okay, and the print my favorite language is so now we need to use user underscore input dot lower. Okay, that's it. We are getting the input from user and we need to convert into lower and upper. This is our requirement. Now we will run the program. What is your favorite language? Java. It's coming in upper and lower. Once again we will test with Python. Python is my favorite language. It's converting into upper and lower. Okay, now we will see another program. Write a Python program that accepting the comma separate sequence of the word as input and print the unique value in sorted form in alphanumeric. Okay, so we'll see the program how to write items equal to input comma separated sequence of words. So the user need to give comma separated word. Okay, words equal to word for word in terms dot split how you need to split, comma. Okay, print double quotes, comma, and what we need to do here, dot join of sorter list and set words. So we are getting the input of comma separated words, and with that words we are splitting and we are joining. Okay, let's see. We will run the program. Input comma separated sequence of word. Raj, Rama, jump, the. So it sorted the JRT. Okay, now we'll see. Apple, cat, boy, red, slice. Okay, A, B, C, or S. So it's sorting the number. Okay, this is our agreement that if you give the comma separated sentence, it will be sort in alphabetic order. Okay, now we will see the next program. Write a Python program to create a HTML string. So HTML string we need to create with tags around the words. Okay, you will see the okay, def add underscore tags comma word, return greater of percentage %s percentage tag comma word comma tag. Print add underscore tags of I comma Python. I need to put in Python the single quotes actually. Print add underscore tags double quotes B comma single quote Python tutorial. Okay, now we will run the program. Sorry, it's comma actually, it's not dot. So we are getting the error in 5th. Print tag it's not double quote, single quote, sorry. Single quote. Instead of tag, I function tags. So we're getting some error due to this is HTML tag actually. Since it's not supporting the HTML tag, we're getting error. But you can try this program in your system, and if you face any issues, let me know. Okay. Uh, just practice of yourself. If you have any issue, write in, put in comment. We will help us to give a solution for you. And thank you for watching this video. Thank you so much, and we will meet in next class.